Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be sharing you foods that we eat for iftar with you guys, and I hope you guys like it. I want to tell you guys that we have 3 workers working for us, and this is iftar for them and this is iftar for us. And well, let's get started. First thing you want to eat in iftar is your iftar opener, and that is dates. And these are very good for immune system, and they really make it stronger, especially in coronavirus. You want to stay safe. So let's head to the next side. Drinks. Obviously, you want to stay hydrated after in iftari because you've been fasting for a whole day and haven't had a sip of water. So I have water here, and my mom loves drinking water, so there it is. And I have coconut water here and ruafza, and these are very good to keep you hydrated. You don't want to faint, do you? Talk fruits. It's important to have your fruits to keep yourself healthy. I have watermelon and melon here, and they contain a lot of water, again, to keep you hydrated. But you should not have cold storage fruits and have the fruits that are in season. So be careful of that. And these are the fruits we have. Stuck unhealthy and fried. Ooh. Okay, I have fries here, samosa, cheese sticks, and nuggets. And this food we have for 5 people. So I've also made these in my previous videos, so go check out my channel to know the recipes for samosa fillings, cheese sticks, nuggets, and fries.
Yum, cupcakes. Oh, how I love cupcakes. Yum, 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 yum.
Let's talk about Desi Food. Obviously, Laiba, amazing, and because it has yogurt in it as well, it's good for your health and as a probiotic. And we have chaat here because who doesn't like chaat? And okay, now let's get to the next item. After food, we have something to eat to fill ourselves for dinner, like an early dinner. So I have lasagna here, but it's normally something for me and Bilal and for the adults. So we have lasagna and adult food here. And well, that's it. Now I'm just gonna show you the whole iftar thing. This is our iftar table, and ooh, I'm excited for it. So there you have it. This is my iftar routine, and I hope you guys like it. Please like this video and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!